Brought to you by the Asian Business Institute and Resource Center. Funding for Specialty Eats was made possible by a grant from the U.S. Department of Agriculture Agricultural Marketing Service. Its contents are solely the responsibility of the authors and do not necessarily represent the official views of the USDA.
We're thrilled to introduce you to the special crop of the day, Thai basil. It's an herb that's not just packed with flavor, but also offers an array of health benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, boosts your immune system, and protects your body. Its anti-inflammatory properties promote overall well-being, and its traditional use in medicine is well known. In addition, it's a great source of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin K and iron. And if you're wondering where you can find Thai basil or any of these sauces used in this dish, you can find them in most Asian grocery markets, such as TC Supermarket in Fresno.
Hello everyone, my name is Cha, and joining me today is our guest cook, Brenda. Together we are going to learn how to make a very simple yet delicious Thai basil chicken sauté. Now let's start prepping. Before chopping up the lemongrass, Brenda is showing me how to process the basil. As you can see, preparing the basil is very simple. You just break off the leaf stems. To prepare the lemongrass, Brenda is going to thinly cut and slice the base of the crop. She also shared tips and tricks on how to best preserve the aroma and freshness of basil, either incorporating it raw into the dish or adding it at the very end of the cooking process. Now we'll be moving on to prep the other ingredients such as bell pepper and shallots. You may cut it however you like, but Brenda is julienning the vegetables as shown here. As for chicken thighs, thin long slices would be most ideal. As Brenda shared, it'll be easier for your fork to pick up the meat while eating. And on to cooking. Here, Brenda is using water to aid in the cooking of the chicken. You may opt for oil if that's what you prefer. You want to begin cooking a small portion of the chicken thighs first, and then add in the lemongrass and shallot before adding in the rest of the chicken. This process helps with creating and maintaining the delicious aroma of the dish. Now it's time to add seasoning such as salt. You will need about 1 teaspoon for this amount. Now you can also add in 1 tablespoon of sugar as well as a half a cube of chicken bouillon. Once the chicken is seasoned, you can add in the rest of the veggies. Let's remember to add the Thai basil in last so it can remain as fresh as possible when served. Brenda is also adding in black pepper as a seasoning. She also showed other seasoning options that are fish sauce and oyster sauce as well. Once the dish is thoroughly cooked, it is time to add the basil. You want the basil to still be a bright green color so that it maintains its texture and aroma. And there you have it, Thai basil chicken sauté. Until next time, this is Specialty Eats, signing off.